If you have a Sony A6000 series camera, you might need more than one battery. And the Sony batteries can be perceived expensive, so I have bought a bundle with a DL-FV50 dual charger and 2 batteries from Neewer. This video is not sponsored, I bought this charger for my own money. Alright, let's see what's inside the box. Here is the actual charger, which is very lightweight. It's from Neewer. It has micro USB and USB-C ports for charging. It is plasticky and a bit hollow. It doesn't really feel like a premium product, and it only has 2 connectors, so it won't be able to make any detailed data readout from the battery. Here is the USB cable that is included. It is a micro USB cable. There is no USB-C cable included. And finally we have the 2 batteries in the bundle. They feel very much like the original Sony batteries. There is no major difference here. So that's everything that's inside the box. And now let's connect the USB cable to the charger. And then we put both of the batteries in place. It was actually a bit difficult to fit one of the batteries in the charger. It feels a bit fragile, but I guess I will just have to push it, and there it is in place. I am now charging the batteries using my power bank, which is not included in the bundle. I'm using a power bank that I already had. And as you can see, there is no advanced or detailed data readout from the battery. You can see that the charging is in progress when the battery icons are animating, and you can also see how full the batteries are. So I have used this charger and those batteries for about a week now, and they seem to have about the same performance as the Sony original batteries so far. If something would happen and they would perform worse in the future, I will make an update video about that. What I can say is that the Neewer charger is a much simpler model than my Nitecore charger, which is actually the charger that I would suggest if you only have one charger. But it's good for me to have 2 chargers, so now I can charge 4 batteries at a time. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions regarding this, or if you want me to make a video where I compare my 2 chargers. If you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.